Mega GMs and happy Wednesday. Look, NFT influencers are talking about floor prices and their favorite NFT collection. Today, I'm here to tell you that the NFT market is maturing right in front of us and we're hitting historic levels on a daily basis. Something huge today. Let's check it out. Starting with your Forkast 500 NFT index, we are down 0.48%. NFTs losing a little bit of value across the board, and this is cross-chain. Not too bad, though, after having over a week of being up in the green. Global NFT sales actually down 3% as well, 15.8 million. So still decent sales considering it is technically a bear market. Now, what are these market highs I'm talking about? If you tuned in yesterday, you already know I've been focusing on total transactions. And yet again, we saw an increase there. 594,000 total transactions yesterday. That's again the highest in 18 months. Have to go all the way back to February 25th when we had 595,000. What I didn't realize yesterday is that's the all-time high for the NFT market. We're only 900 away from it. Now I got to let you in on a little something here. The numbers that I'm showing you here for today don't include the base blockchain. Base last week, we saw 60,000 sales of just that one piece of art. So I'm sure if we're factoring in the base blockchain today, that we've smashed that record and that, yes, this is an all-time high for the NFT market. Nobody is talking about this. Why are they not talking about it? Either they don't know or they don't care. Tell you what, I care a lot about it. Sales volume isn't my measure for how healthy the NFT ecosystem is. It's buyers, it's sellers, and it's transactions. And look, fam, we've never been higher. I am so bullish on NFTs right now. Average sale prices, I want to point out again, they continue to decline, and that's a very, very good thing. We want to bring in the masses. We want our friends and families to come into NFTs, get them in through brands that they recognize, but they're not going to come in if those are priced at $10,000 or $5,000 even, or even $1,000. $25? Yeah, they'll buy that. Even better if it goes lower. So I hope and I think we will see lower prices coming still. By almost all metrics, we're heading in the right direction for NFTs, maybe other than the value of your wallet, but for now, so what? Okay, so what collections are actually moving the market right now? A lot of familiar faces. It's DGods, D-Market, DraftKings, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and then it's Gods Unchained, Sorare, Kanpai Pandas, The Captains, Mutant Apes, and Milady Maker. And fam, there is really awesome news from across the NFT space, starting with a new NFT coming from the founder of Art Blocks named Snowfro. His newest NFT since his previous friendship bracelet is here. It's called Heart and Craft. I absolutely love that name. His new NFT is going to mint on the Arbitrum blockchain for 0.01 ETH. This is how you onboard people, folks. Next, I need to clear up a little misinformation I've put out there recently. I've been talking about the Doodles. I've said that they have a new PFP, maybe a 3D avatar coming this week. I just wasn't sure if it was going to be an airdrop for their holders or if it would be a brand new mint. Well, I got that completely wrong. Instead, they're coming out with a new physical figure, and it's a really big one. They look great, and in fact, they're coming to Chicago this week. I may head down there to go grab one myself. Now, if you're a comic book fan, this one's for you. An iconic comic book, Batman #1, is coming to the blockchain as an NFT. This is taking place on DC's marketplace on the Palm blockchain. In the future, Palm is moving to Polygon, so this ultimately will probably be a Polygon NFT. Now, if you're wondering if comic book NFTs will have any value, look over at Marvel, who's been minting comic books on the VV platform now for a couple of years. Their first comic book, which was Marvel's #1, at one point had a $100,000 floor price. And our final story, I've been talking recently about Larva Labs coming back to the NFT space with their first NFT since Meebits. This is their Fingerprints DAO membership token. Have a look here. The first one went on sale today, and actually it did sell for 6.5 ETH. More of the voxel glyphs are coming out. They'll be priced in a currency called Prince. It'll be around 3 ETH, so it is a little expensive, but keep in mind, autoglyphs floor price is somewhere around $200,000 to $250,000. So 3 ETH for a Larva Labs piece of art might not be so bad after all, right? Like always, so much going on in the NFT space, but the most important thing was that all-time high in transactions. Make sure to tell people about that because it's a big, big deal. Tomorrow is the Rec League mint. $8 million that sales expected to bring in. It will have a big impact on the market one way or another, so we'll keep my eyes on that. And I'll be back tomorrow with more market updates, more news. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, we'll see ya.